Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Juan Santariaga from All Solar Cleaning Services. We are here in East Orlando. We got an awesome client with us. He's been here for almost 2 years. 3 years, Mr. Jeff. 3 years. 3 years he's been with me. But he's going to tell you very quick how important it's been for him choosing All Solar Cleaning Partners to clean his solar panels. Mr. Jeff, welcome.
Thank you very much for cleaning the panels today. So this is the third time we've had All Solar come out and clean my solar panels for me. You need to understand it's very important to keep those panels clean. Here in Central Florida, we get pollen, we get dust, you get bird droppings, all kinds of things to get on the film of your solar panels. That keeps the sun rays from being most effective and efficient to generate the electricity that you paid for the panels to do in the first place. I, for one, have kept mine clean. Since January of this year, I paid zero in utility costs to my power company. Zero. And they owe me money. I've got credits on the books because they're so clean. They generate so much electricity for me here in Central Florida. Get them clean. Call Juan at Florida Solar. You'll be good to go.
Thank you, Mr. Jeff. Don't forget what he just told us, 407-663-3148, Juan from All Solar Cleaning Services.